Welcome back, problem solvers. So you've encountered a dilemma in your MATLAB code where the save function works like a charm, but the load function doesn't quite deliver the variables as expected. It seems like you've run into a bit of trouble with getting those variables into your workspace. Fret not, let's dive into the solution. In the proposed solution, we address the issue by utilizing the assigning function within a custom function. By creating a function like the one shown, you can load the data from the file using load file path, and then use assigning to transfer that data to the base workspace. This way, you can ensure that the variables are accessible outside the function, right where you need them. Remember, the key here is to bridge the gap between the function workspace and the base workspace. In summary, tackling the load and save function challenge in MATLAB involves understanding workspace layers and effectively transferring data between them using assigning. By incorporating this approach into your code, you'll seamlessly bring those variables from the file into your workspace. And there you have it, folks. Keep coding, keep problem solving, and until next time, happy coding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite MATLAB shortcut.